Now, good day. Now, this time around, I'm going to use data approach to solve this particular question. Now, make sure you like the video, share to recommend my video to waste your student. Now, find from the first principle the derivative of y is equal to 2x. Looking for derivative, now this one I'm going to use the delta method. Delta method. Is the method that I'm going to use. Yes. And what is the delta method? Delta method is if I have x and y plane, this x and y, and then I have a curve like this. Now whenever x is here, we can get a corresponding y value, which is f of x, right? Yes. Now when x changes to this particular point, when s changes to this particular point, let's say if here is f of a, if here is a, then there's going to be a change in the word f, that is a. You understand? So this is what I'm going to talk about. Or when we say when there is a change in x, we are going to get a change in what? A change in y. Because the s has changed from here to here. And then when s gets to this particular point, the y will also change. Because the s will depend on the value of the s will correspond to the value of the y. So as the s value changing on the curve, the value of y will change. When s is 0, y will be 0 here. When x is 1, y will give you a different variable. When s is 2, y will give you a different variable. So as s is changing, the y will be what? The y will be changing, just like that. So with the delta method, if I have f of x, y, which is the same as f of x, and the same as 2x. One thing you're supposed to know is that when y is changing, so this is y, this one is changing y. Anytime y is changing, then the s also supposed to change. Because before the s changes, the y is supposed to change. So the change in the s will correspond to the change in y. So if x has changed, if y is changing, this is a change in the y. So we have y plus its change. Now this one will also correspond to the change in the s. So the change in the s is s delta. Now what I'm looking for is difference in y over difference in x. And the difference in y over difference in s is approximately equal to the divided s. Lim of this one is equal to divided s. That is lim of the change in s approaching 0 is the same as dy dx. So when we solve for this one, the same as solving for the divided s. Understand? Yes. Now, so we are going to have something like this. Change in y will give us what? F of x plus change in y, a change in x. Now, this one I'm grouping like this because I'm making change in y this up, so the y will go there. Now, what is y? Y is the same as the f of x, which is the same as 2x. Understand? Yes. Now let's move on. We have change in y is equal to. Now what is f of s plus h? How are we going to find f of s plus h? F of s plus f of s plus s, change in s plus change in s, f of s plus change in s. It means that this one is the s, but the s is now f of s plus change in s. So which means we have to replace the whole of this one with this. Understandable? Yes. Now some people will write it like this. Change in s equals to x plus the change in x. Once someone uses this particular method, it's the same thing. Now at this particular point, it means that the s here is the same as f of s plus what? Change in s. So I have to use this one to replace this. So I'm going to get 2x. This x is now this change in x. Now minus y. What is y? Y is the actual function. That is 2x. I hope this one is understandable. Yeah. So the next of the thing, you have to expand throughout. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand. So we have change in y is equal to 2 times s will give us 2x. 2 times change in s will give us 2 change in x minus 2x Let me write it here. So change in y is equal to 2x plus 2 change in x minus 2x. Now you see that at this particular point, 2s will cancel 2s. You see, I expanded this one. So 2s times 2 change in x minus 2s. So 2s and 2s will cancel. So I'm going to get 2y, change in y is equal to 2s minus 2s will go to 0. So we're going to get 2 change in s. So at this point, what I have to do is that I have to divide both sides by change in x, because I'm looking for change in x over change in y. Let me continue from here. Now, we are going to get change in y over change in x. Change in s will cancel change in s. We're going to get 2. So this one is so simple. You know that, therefore, you know that the y over the s is the same as what lim of change in x, a change in y over change in x, where the change in x is approaching what? 0. And this one is the same as what? The same 2. You understand? Yes. It is the same 2 because we have lim of change in x approaching 0. The whole of this one is the same as 2. Limit of constants is the same as a constant, so the answer is 2. So which means I divide the s is equal to 2. You understand? Yes, it doesn't add anything to it. So this is as simple as that. As simple as that. Now the moment you see change in s in the expression, you have, and it is not a rational function, you just have to put change in s is equal to 0 into the rational function being solved. Very simple like that, just like how you solve the limits, don't forget. And the latter answer, make sure that you introduce the limits of the change in s approaching 0. Yes. And there is one way you can solve for the first principle using the delta method.